The farmer has chickens and cows. Together they have 10 heads and 28 legs. Can you figure out how many are chickens and how many are cows? Pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Let's imagine they are all chickens. Then we would have 10 heads, and that makes 10 animals. Each chicken has 2 legs. So 10 chickens would have 20 legs in total. But wait, the farmer actually counted 28 legs. That's 8 more legs than expected. Where do these extra legs come from? Well, a cow has 4 legs, while a chicken has only 2. So every time a chicken is replaced with a cow, we get 2 extra legs. We need 8 extra legs. Each chicken turned into a cow adds 2 legs. To get 8 extra legs, we need 4 cows. That means the farmer has 6 chickens and 4 cows. Problem solved.